This video I will share you let's important updates about Nerocoin, its price prediction 2025, that in next year mega balloon, how much zeros Nerocoin can kill here. Is this meme coin has still potential to kill all three zeros and reach $1 price in next year super cycle mega balloon meme coins or not? So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. And friends, there are too many Nero with the same name, but this video I'm talking about the Nairo coin that is already listed on Binance exchange. You can see friends, this meme coin is listed in Binance future and also on Binance spot. So this is the number one Nairo coin that is Binance listed. There are many other Nairo coin, but they are still no listed on Binance. So friends, I can see Nairo coin currently 3.3 times 0.95 price, and price is pumped by almost 2% in last 24 hours, but 47% dump in last 30 days, 40% dump in last 14 days, and this dump is good for us that we can buy Nairo coin at low price because this is the meme coin that can be the next Doge coin here. Look friends, you can see already $400 million market, but this meme coin has potential to be the next maybe 100x meme coin, and we can see its market up to $4 billion here. $117 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome. 420 billion coin supply and all the circulation and Ethereum ecosystem meme coin, because as I already told you there are too many Nairo with same name, but this Nairo you can see working on Ethereum chain and it's a dog theme meme coin. 68% down the soul time high they were 2 months ago, and 39,000% up the soul time low they were 5 months ago. Rhino coin has killed 2 stores since its launching, so this is awesome performance from this meme coin. After 60 Binance is early listed, and OKS has listed, Bitget has listed, MEXC has listed, and for other exchange and other tier one exchange Kraken where this meme coin is listed, but you can see still there's no Coinbase, Robinhood yet. So many central exchange listing left for this meme coin yet is possible because Binance is list many other tier one central exchanges is a little list this coin, but still there's no Robinhood, there's no Coinbase. But I think in coming few months when crypto market will be again recovered here, we can see BTC again above $110,000. At that time it's possible that we can see Nairo coin listing on Coinbase and also on Robinhood. After 21,000 holders for this meme coin, its numbers of holders are really amazing. 21,000 holders. These are the top holders of this meme coin. Okay, mostly central exchanges holding this coin. You can see Binance says 57% of its supply. Okay, 57% supply hold by Binance. This is amazing. Okay, it says 5% supply. So this is 62% supply has only in two wallets. There are central exchanges wallets, so there's no issue. And Bybit is holding another Binance wallet holding another Binance wallet holding this coin. Who can, so many central exchanges hold this coin, so that's why this is good. And these other wallets has less than 0.3% supplies. This is good friends. So there's no doubt no any value share, and we are already 39,000% update sold, and low coin has already killed three zeros and maybe if it can pump maybe 2 to 4% here, then we can see another zero kill here. And friends, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market is already $400 million here, but I think we can see this market up to 4 to maybe $40 billion here. It's really possible that Nairo coin can be the next fourth, maybe 40 billion market meme coin, because friends this look amazing. And already 39,000% pump Binance is listed, and this meme coin is backed with Dogecoin. Okay, totally related to Dogecoin, so that's why it's possible that we can see this meme coin to kill these all three zeros and reach $1 price in next year. It's really possible, but I think we can see its market maybe up to 4 billion. That will be I think 10x from here. And it's also possible that we can see massive hype in next year super cycle meme coin bull run. Then definitely it's also possible that this meme coin can be the next 40 billion market meme coin and can be the next 100x potential meme coin and kill all three zeros here. This my price prediction. It can be true or not. What's your price prediction about Nairo coin? Do you think Nairo has potential to reach $1 here or reach 40 billion market or not? You can must comment down below.